Welcome guys, a day in the life of a tech. Today I am going to show you guys how to replace a hard drive in a mini Elite desktop, and also how to open the computer. So it should be a short video. Depending on the business, I can only show you as much information as I can just to protect privacy, etc. But FYI, you will learn how to do it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm going to pin the video to this video, or maybe I'll mix them up together. Who knows how it's going to transpire, but hopefully it will be helpful for you guys. Now, this is my uniform, okay? So when I'm wearing this, it's because of my uniform, okay? It's not because it's the only shirt I got, all right? Peace.
Oh yeah, always. You bet. Yeah, you too. Take care.